Hello learners, welcome to online classes of Semistar Global School. Today we are going to start third part of our video on the topic force. In the previous video, I told you that there are two types of force, contact force and non-contact force. We have discussed about contact forces. Now in this video, we will study about non-contact forces. Now let's see what are non-contact forces. These types of forces are also known as action at a distance force. Some forces do not involve physical contact between two objects on which they act. They act through the space between them, or we can say they act from the distance. Such type of forces are called non-contact forces. They bring about changes even when objects are not in physical contact with each other. Now, non-contact forces are of three types: magnetic force, electrostatic force, and gravitational force. Let us discuss about non-contact forces in detail. First type of non-contact force is magnetic force. Do you know what is bar magnet? It is a magnet which is rectangular in shape and having two poles, north and south. Now, what you have to do? Just bring a bar magnet near iron clips. One thing kept in your mind, that bar magnet should not be in direct contact with the iron clips. The clips move from their original position towards the bar magnet under the influence of magnetic force. So the force which a magnet exerts on iron objects is called a magnetic force. It is seen that magnetic force acts even when two objects, that is bar magnet and iron clips, are not in contact with each other. So the magnetic force is an example of non-contact force. Second type of non-contact force is electrostatic force. Many times in your daily life, you have seen that when you bring a plastic comb close to a heap of small pieces of paper, nothing happens. But when you rub a plastic comb several times with your dry hair and then bring it near a heap of small pieces of paper, they are attracted by the comb. Did you ever think why this happens? This is because on rubbing, the comb gets charged. Since the charge is produced due to the rubbing of comb and remains there without any movement, it is called electrostatic charge. So the force exerted by a charged object on another charged object or an uncharged object is called electrostatic force. You observe that comb and paper pieces are not in contact with each other, but the electrostatic force is present. Therefore, electrostatic force is another example of non-contact force. And the last type of non-contact force is gravitational force. We know that every object in this universe attracts every other object with a certain force. The force with which two objects attract each other is called gravitational force or force of gravitation. This type of force is non-contact force, so it acts even when the two objects are not in contact. Gravitational force exists everywhere in the universe. When we throw any object upwards, say a ball, it always falls down towards the earth. Since the ball falls down, it is in motion, right? So there must be a force acting on it. The earth exerts a force of attraction on the ball in the downward direction. This force of attraction exerted by the earth is called its gravity. The force with which the earth pulls the objects towards it is called gravitational force of earth or gravity.